Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the Splunk SPL min command. The min command is a powerful function that allows you to find the minimum value from multiple fields or expressions in your data. This command is essential for range analysis and statistical operations in Splunk. Whether you're comparing prices, analyzing performance metrics, or conducting data analysis, the min command helps you identify the lowest values across different fields efficiently. The basic syntax of the min command is straightforward. You use the keyword min followed by parentheses containing the fields or expressions you want to compare. The general format is min with field 1, field 2, field 3, and so on. For example, you can use the eval command to create a new field called min_value that contains the minimum of price, cost, and budget fields. This syntax allows you to compare any number of numeric fields or mathematical expressions. Here's a practical example of how the min command works. We use the eval command to create a new field called lowest_price by comparing price_A, price_B, and price_C. Then we use the table command to display the product name along with all three price fields and the calculated lowest price. This command will return the minimum value among the multiple price fields for each product, making it easy to identify the best pricing option. The min command excels at comparing multiple fields simultaneously. In the first example, we calculate the minimum temperature by comparing temp_morning, temp_noon, and temp_evening fields. In the second example, we find the minimum sales value across 4 quarters: Q1 sales, Q2 sales, Q3 sales, and Q4 sales. This demonstrates that you can compare any number of numeric fields to find the lowest value, making it versatile for various analytical scenarios. One of the most powerful applications of the min command is in range analysis. Here we combine the min and max functions to analyze data ranges. First, we calculate the minimum value among CPU usage, memory usage, and disk usage. Then we calculate the maximum value of the same fields. Finally, we determine the range size by subtracting the minimum value from the maximum value. This approach is perfect for statistical analysis and helps identify the spread of your data across different metrics. Let's summarize the key points about the min command. First, it works exclusively with numeric fields and expressions, so ensure your data is in the correct format. Second, it accepts multiple arguments for comparison, allowing you to analyze numerous fields simultaneously. Third, it's essential for statistical analysis and range calculations, making it a fundamental tool for data analysts and system administrators working with Splunk. Remember these points when implementing the min command in your Splunk searches. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.